Today, I'm coming at you with 3 bold predictions. Hey, if you're new to the channel, my name's Michael /Pokeoz. We talk all things Pokemon card investing on this channel. So that's what today's video is all about. I'm going to talk to you about 3 bold predictions in the Pokemon card investing space that I think are going to happen in the not too distant future. Hey, there's a cool new feature on the Collector app, which is of course the sponsor of today's video. You'll see what I mean by that as we go throughout the video. So let's just jump straight into it. The number one or first bold prediction that I'm going to say is Brilliant Stars is about to pick up. Now look, it's been on a little bit of a run for the last, probably 3 to 6 months. And look, I think it's probably going to stabilize a little bit, maybe even retract a touch over the coming months, because it's actually reached over $400 a booster box. But in the next 6 to 12 months, this booster box is going to climb in price significantly. If I were to put a prediction on it and where I see it sitting, in 12 months time, I see this being a $750 booster box. So this time next year, $750. Now, if we look through Brilliant Stars, it came out with so much hype because it was a Charizard based set. It was also, in case you don't realize, from Sword and Shield era, of course, it was the reintroduction back from Cosmic Eclipse, the reintroduction of the trainer gallery. And not only was it the reintroduction of the trainer gallery, it had a phenomenal trainer gallery. Umbreon VMAX, Sylveon VMAX, Mimikyu V, Umbreon V, Sylveon V. It had pretty much every evolution in there. The original trio in Vaporeon, Jolteon, Flareon. It had tiered pull rates for the trainer gallery. It was a really, really good Pokemon card set. But again, it was surrounded by so much hype with Celebrations and Evolving Skies and moving on to Lost Origin and that beautiful Shinji Kanda Giratina artwork that was coming out. It did just get a little bit overshadowed there. Now, the other side of the coin is, other than having the trainer gallery, the main set, we had 2 beautiful Charizard chase cards. One, the Rainbow V-Star, which is arguably probably one of the only nice rainbow cards in existence. I think it's actually a really, really good looking Pokemon card. But then we had the Alt Art Charizard V. So not only do you have your chance to pull 2 Charizards inside there, you have the trainer gallery. Now there's a few things that are going for this set. It's going to make it more fun for people to open in the future. When we see streamers open multiple boxes of sets like Chilling Reign and pull absolutely nothing, or Evolving Skies and pull absolutely nothing. That's not going to happen when a streamer streams Brilliant Stars in the future. There's going to be this tiered hit rate. You're going to pull 12, 13, 14 hits out of this booster box, including some of the trainer galleries, of course, and the possibility of the jackpot, which is, of course, the Charizard chase cards in that Rainbow V-Star, and, of course, the beautiful Alt Art Charizard in a battle scene with Venusaur. That is a really, really good looking card. Now, the cool thing that I mentioned about the Collector app, and you've probably seen it up here as I've gone through it, we've now got set analytics. Set analytics will show you exactly the total set value of a set. It's so easy to use. You can track it over time as well. Now, keep in mind when a set first comes out, of course, total set values come out of the gate really high from day dot because, chase cards, there's not many on the market, so chase cards go for big dollars when they first come out, much like we're seeing with Destined Rivals at the moment. So that's my first bold prediction. Brilliant Stars booster box, $420 at the moment. I think it'll be $750 this time next year. One thing I can guarantee is in 12 months time, it's certainly not going to be any cheaper. Now, the second bold prediction I want to come out with is Cosmic Eclipse. Cosmic Eclipse is not finished yet. It has been, again, on an absolute heater over the last 6 months. It's gone up in price significantly. And again, similar to Brilliant Stars, I might perhaps suggest that it'll probably stabilize for a little bit, but watch this thing go parabolic in the next 12 months. This will not be far behind Team Up. Now look, total set value of Cosmic Eclipse, it's sitting just over $4,000. In comparison, a set like Team Up is sitting just over $6,000. There's a couple of big things going for Cosmic Eclipse though. It's got 10 chase cards above $100 raw. 3 of which are over like $300 raw. The only thing it's missing in comparison to Team Up is that massive, massive chase. So Latios is so expensive as a raw card, and even more expensive as a PSA 10. That's the one caveat, I guess, that Cosmic Eclipse is missing. It's missing that massive, massive chase where like you pull it and it grades a PSA 10 and it pays for all of your booster box price and some. That's the gamble you take with Team Up. Team Up has that risk reward. Team Up has that massive reward. So I'm not saying that Cosmic Eclipse is going to be as expensive as Team Up, but I'm saying it's nowhere near done yet. It is a fantastic Pokemon card set. It was the first Pokemon card set with Trainer Gallery, which of course, like I just mentioned, got reintroduced with Brilliant Stars, leading through Astral Radiance, Lost Origin, and Silver Tempest. So Cosmic Eclipse is a stunning Pokemon card set. And I guess to carry on with this, the other two aren't done yet. And by the other two, I mean the other two tag team sets as well. If I were to add those into the mix, Unbroken Bonds and Unified Minds also aren't done yet. I remember one of my first videos, I reckon it was maybe number video 4 or 5, and you can go all the way back through to my latest videos. I did a video on Unified Minds, and it was sitting at like about 350 to 400, maybe 400 US dollars. And I just said, this is a massive underdog. Over the next year or two, Unified Minds will be making massive moves because it wasn't quite as expensive yet as Team Up, Cosmic Eclipse, or even Unbroken Bonds. But I said, Unified Minds is a much better Pokemon card set than a lot of people give it credit for. They're calling it the worst of those 4 tag team sets. But to be honest, I think a lot of them are very equal. Unified, Cosmic, and Unbroken Bonds are very equal. Maybe Cosmic's a little bit better. It also didn't cop that sort of later reprint, like Unified Minds got a smaller later reprint there. But anyway, watch all of those tag team sets absolutely balloon over the next 12 months. They're not going to get to Team Up level, but they will be getting close to perhaps nipping at its heels. So that's prediction number 2 for me. Now, my third bold prediction over the next, well, look, it's probably the next 12 months, but even further than that. And that is, and this is a big one, and let me put a little few stipulations around it. Excluding premium collections or special collections or any of those sort of things. So if we're just focusing on sort of main set products, booster boxes, Pokemon Center Elite Trainer boxes, Elite Trainer boxes, blisters, tins, etc. Prismatic Evolution's Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box will be the most expensive main sealed item out of the whole Scarlet and Violet era. That's a bold prediction for you. So what I'm saying there is it will be more expensive in the future than a Surging Sparks booster box. It will be more expensive in the future than a 151 Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box. It'll be more expensive in the future than a Destined Rivals booster box. It'll be more expensive in the future than a Paldea Evolved booster box. Prismatic Evolution's Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box will be the most expensive sealed item from the whole Scarlet and Violet era, excluding premium collections, super, all those sort of things. You get the idea. Excluding those, it will be the most expensive sealed item. And look, where does this logic come from? I don't think we can hide from the fact of how strong Prismatic Evolution's total set value is. And look, I get it. It's retracting. It is. If we have a look at the total set value through the collector app, it's going down. It's gone down like 14 or 1500 bucks or something in the last month, last 30 days. And look, it'll probably come down a little bit more. The hype moves on. The hype has now moved on to Destined Rivals. That's what everyone's opening and that's what everyone's chasing. Everyone's chasing Rocket's Mewtwo and Rocket's Moltres and the other special illustration rares inside that set. But I don't think we can still hide away from the fact of just how good Prismatic Evolutions is. Now look, we all know pull rates are tough in it, but it has so many things going for it. Not only does it have all the evolutions, all in special illustration rare form, that when they grade a PSA 10, they go for huge dollars. So you're getting that sort of grading play. They're worth heaps and heaps raw, and also they're not easy to pull. And we've seen that from Evolving Skies, that tough pull rates doesn't slow down the sealed product price. It just doesn't. Now that coupled with the fact that not only can you get Master Balls and Pokeball reverse holos, like there's just so much going for this set, and the rarity and exclusivity of the Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box from Prismatic Evolutions is going to make it one hell of an investment. Like over $6,000 total set value still. I think the only thing behind this is maybe going to be a 151 Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box, and maybe those two will go neck and neck. But I'm talking quite significantly in the future, and arguably maybe those two things, a 151 Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box and a Prismatic Evolutions Pokemon Center Elite Trainer box, will be the two most expensive sealed items from the whole Scarlet and Violet era. We can't discredit that Pokemon Center stamp and how important that is to the promos, how much value it adds, how hard they are to gem 10, and therefore they get that multiplication factor when they're in a PSA 10. This will be one of the strongest, if not the strongest, sealed product from the whole Scarlet and Violet era. Well, there you have it. 3 bold predictions coming up from Pokey Oz here. Hey, catch everyone next time.